All right, let's take another look at the forecast. Meteorologist Robert Suhr joining us once again. Less humid out there, and we could feel that difference.
Yes.
The other question then is, how long is it going to last?
A day.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Just a day. We get a brief respite. As I would say, an island of low humidity and a sea of humid days out there, unfortunately. And you're also dealing with the pollen. It's out there too with the humidity. Now you can see it's kind of all over the board. Tree pollen is down, mold spores kind of in the middle, and then at the top of the scale you've got weed and grass pollen right now. Mold spores would be much higher if we had a lot of rain recently, but it's just been heat. Now today the overall setup, that heat dome has kind of shifted its way off to the west, and we're just on the very edge of that large area of high pressure. And the circulation around it is giving us that northwesterly flow, which is lowering our humidity levels. But by tomorrow, it's going to start to move back in our direction. Now, we'll still be under the northerly flow, but those hot temperatures. Now, the worst of the heat will still stay just to our west, but there could be some close to triple-digit heat once again in the River Valley. Now, we'll take you outside right now. In Fort Smith, it's 99 right now. Top Kavanaugh Hill, it's 97, but much cooler in Fayetteville and in Rogers at this hour. So it really depends on where you are. And you can see those temperatures mostly in the upper 80s and lower 90s. Meanwhile, in the River Valley, those temperatures, again, mostly right around 100 degrees. Boonville was at 100 last hour. They have since cooled off. Now, taking a look at the big picture, you can see some severe thunderstorm watches coming and going as this cold front continues to slide to the south. We did have some severe storms just south of Little Rock. You get toward Pine Bluff and El Dorado and those areas in the southern part of the state. They had some rough weather earlier today, but we were nice and dry. Some stray showers off the Georgia, South Carolina coast, and then you get into the Appalachians. And there's also some stray showers out there. I know as we take you hour by hour, not a lot to talk about here. Just temperatures warm as they've been, but nothing really in the way of cloud cover or precipitation. Even through noon tomorrow, 80s for just about everybody. We'll warm into the 90s by tomorrow evening, and then we'll dip back into the 70s by the time you wake up Monday morning. But again, cloud and rain free on the extended forecast. 60s and 70s tonight. We'll rebound just about everybody back into the 90s tomorrow, but less humidity, especially north of the Bobby Hopper Tunnel. Now, the extended forecast, a real rinse and repeat forecast, folks, with lots of sunshine, maybe a cool front, not cold front. A cool front tries to sneak through the area Tuesday night and Wednesday, touching off a couple of showers, but you can see temperatures remaining well above average through the extended period. River Valley, about the same thing over the next 7 days. Hot on Monday and Tuesday. That's when we've got impact days with the outside chance for a couple of showers Tuesday night and into Wednesday, but those chances are looking less and less. Keep with us. We'll update that forecast, and we'll update the sports world right after the break.